Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn about the standard deviation of a discrete random variable. While the mean tells us the center of a distribution, the standard deviation tells us how spread out the values are around that center. Let's get started. The standard deviation measures how much values tend to vary from the mean. And this is the formula for the standard deviation. You don't need to memorize every detail of this formula. The important idea is that it measures how far values tend to be from the mean, while taking their probabilities into account. A small standard deviation means the values are close to the mean. A large standard deviation means the values are more spread out. For this example, we are going to use the TI-84 calculator to find the standard deviation and focus on interpreting the result. We're given the probability distribution table, and we're asked to find the standard deviation using technology. Before using the calculator, let's quickly look at the table. The possible values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The probabilities tell us how likely each value is to occur. Notice that the highest probability occurs at 2, which is the center of the distribution. Now, let's use the TI-84 calculator to find the standard deviation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a TI-84 calculator to find the standard deviation for a probability distribution table. First, press Start button, choose Edit, and press Enter. Enter X values in L1. Next, enter probabilities in L2. After entering the data, press Start again. Use the right arrow key to move to Calc. Choose the first one, 1 var stats, and press Enter. Now, for the list, enter the list where you store your X values. I store my X values in L1, so I leave it as L1. Now, if you store it in L3, then you need to replace this with L3 by pressing second 3. Second 1 for L1, second 2 for L2, second 3 for L3, second 4 for L4, second 5 for L5, and second 6 for L6. I store my X values in L1, so I need to replace it with L1. Second 1. I store the probabilities in L2, so I leave it as L2. Highlight Calculate and press Enter. You should see X bar equals 2. This is the mean, which is the center of the distribution. For standard deviation, look for sigma X, which is this number, 1.095445115. This is the result I got from my calculator. Standard deviation is sigma X. The question is asking for 4 decimal places, so I need to round this number to 4 decimal places. So the answer is 1.0954.